Hi guys, सबको नमस्कार. Welcome to VALLABH'S MINETECH Tutorials. In this video, we will explore the history and importance of pre-start checks in underground coal mines and understand how these simple inspections have become one of the most effective tools in preventing mining accidents. Why are pre-start checks so important? Before any person or machine is allowed to enter or operate at the working phase, a systematic inspection is carried out to identify hazards. This philosophy is known as stop, check and proceed. It is one of the most effective safety practices adopted by the global mining industry. Okay, what does international research say? According to the International Council on Mining and Metals, that is ICMM, nearly 80% of mining fatalities are associated with mobile and fixed mining equipment, ground control failures, maybe roof or sites, failure to identify hazards before starting work. That's an important. So many of these incidents occur before production even begins. There is no surprise there. Simply because and unsafe conditions were not identified during the pre-start inspection. This is exactly what pre-start checks are designed to prevent. So in this key message is a 5-minute pre-start check can prevent a life-changing accident. Always remember, no person and no machine shall proceed until the workplace has been stopped, checked and declared safe. Please watch the full video. I have tried my level best to present this more closer to the ground reality. If you love this, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Encourage me to give few more videos on this topic. Thank you very much for your support. Stop, check, proceed is a universally accepted safety philosophy that can be applied not only to continuous miner operations but also to longwall development headings, belt conveyors, diesel equipment and electrical installations. Now let us see a continuous miner operations.
Guys, stop. All the machines, continuous miner, shuttle car, roof bolter, and conveyors. It's a time for systematic examination of a workplace. ये ट्रैफिक सिग्नल नहीं है. हम लोग अंडरग्राउंड माइंस में भी a सिग्नल फॉलो करते हैं. ये जान बचाने का सिग्नल है. मशीन की सेहत का सिग्नल है.
Supervisor has given the stop signal. All the machines are parked in safe places. Employees and personnel are standing at the rest station in a safe place. Now the supervisor and team, they started examination of roof convergence recordings, telltales, convergence recorders, etc., methane detector, ventilation coursing status, water spray checks, a machine walk around, and supervisor recorded all the observations on a record kept at the station. Now after this inspection, he will check, he ensure everything is safe to start operations. In the proceed phase, supervisor declared the working place safe to start operations. Machines inspected and ready for cutting operations. Ventilation and gas within permissible limits. Communication established. Roof supports installed and secured. Persons are in safe positions. Thanks for watching the video. If you love the video, like, share and subscribe the channel. Link is provided here.